Good morning, children. Today we'll study lesson number 16, the sun and other stars. So before we start our class, let us know how sun is important for us and how is sunlight beneficial to our health. Children, it radiates light and heat or solar energy, which makes it possible for life to exist on Earth. Plants need sunlight to grow. Animals, including us humans, need plants for food and the oxygen they produce. Without heat from the sun, Earth would freeze. And our body produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D helps your body maintain calcium and prevent brittle, thin or misshapen bones. The sun rises every morning like a ball of fire in the east. It gives us light and warmth. At noon, the sun looks just overhead. In the evening, it sets in the west. After sunset, it starts growing dark. Soon the night falls. It is all dark and the star appears in the sky. Okay, children, so let us begin our class and know more about the sun and other stars. The sun is the closest star to the earth. It is many times bigger than the earth. It looks small because it is very far away from the earth. Children, the sun is at a distance of about 150 million kilometers from us. The sun gives us heat, light, and energy. As I told you before, without sun, there would be no life on the earth. It would be too dark and too cold for any living things to survive without the sun. Next, solar system. The sun and its family of 8 planets form the solar system. Sun is in the center of the solar system. 8 planets move around in a fixed path called orbit. Here you can see this. The 8 planets in order of increasing distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Children, planets do not have light of their own. They reflect the lights of the sun that falls on them. Our Earth is the only planet where life exists. Now the astronomers, they are still searching for more planets in our solar system. They are also looking if there is any possibilities of life on any other planet. Next is stars. There are a large number of stars in the sky. We can see them at night only. The stars twinkle like little tiny lamps all over the sky. All stars are like suns in the sky. They are hot and give off hot light. Our sun too is a star. It is a medium-sized star. It is the star nearest to our Earth. All the other stars are far, far away from the earth. That is why their rays do not reach us. They are lost in space, children, so we can see them only as a tiny lamps, and that is why a starry night is not hot either. On a clear dark night, our eyes can see about 6,000 stars in the sky. Some stars are seen in groups which form patterns or shapes. These groups are called constellations. Most constellations come with their own stories. Some are named after animals, others are named after ancient heroes or gods. A very known group of stars consists of 7 stars. I think everyone knows that. We call it Saptarishi. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can see this with naked eyes. Some other known constellations are the Great Bear, Ursa Major, Orion the Hunter, Leo, Southern Cross, and Scorpius. Here you can see Orion the Hunter, Southern Cross, or Scorpius. These are the examples. All the stars look moving from east to west like the sun. In fact, they do not move at all. They are fixed like the sun. They look so because our Earth is moving. A very important star is the pole star. It does not look moving like other stars. We call it Dhruv Tara. It is the brightest star. Stars disappear in the bright light of the sun during day. They are there, but we cannot see them. Okay, children, tell me, why do we see stars mostly at night? Let me tell you, stars are mostly seen at night because there is no sunlight in the night. Thus, the light coming from the stars could reach us and we are able to see them. Okay, so let us revise what we have learned. Number 1, our sun is a star. It is the closest star to us. The sun and its 8 planets make up the solar system. Planets do not have light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. On a clear cloudless night, we can see thousands of stars twinkling in the sky. There are some groups of stars in the sky called constellations. And here are some more points to know. The sun glows so fiercely that we cannot look straight toward it, even though it is so far away. The planet Mercury is the closest to the sun. Children, you have to remember, okay? The planet Venus is the brightest body in the sky. The planet Jupiter is the biggest of all planets. Galileo was the first astronomer to study planets and stars. Okay, children, we have completed our chapter 16 and I hope all of you have understood. Okay then, take care. Thank you.